Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A rustic retreat, a black wooden house by the river nestled amidst the tranquility of a flowing river. A rustic black wooden house stands as a testament to the timeless beauty of nature and the artistry of human design. This architectural gem offers a harmonious blend of modern comfort and traditional charm, providing a serene retreat from the bustling demands of everyday life. The exterior of the house is a striking contrast between the deep, velvety black of the wood and the natural hues of the surrounding landscape. The black finish adds a touch of sophistication and mystery, while also providing a striking backdrop for the lush greenery that surrounds the property. The wooden planks, carefully chosen for their durability and aesthetic appeal, create a warm and inviting atmosphere that is reminiscent of cozy cabins in the woods. A sprawling lawn stretches out in front of the house, inviting relaxation and contemplation. The soft, emerald green of the grass is complemented by the vibrant colors of wildflowers that bloom throughout the seasons. A winding path leads through the lawn, inviting exploration and discovery. Behind the house, a vast tropical forest unfolds, offering a sense of adventure and wonder. Towering trees reach for the sky, their branches intertwining to form a dense canopy that provides shade and shelter. The forest is teeming with life, from colorful birdsong to the rustle of leaves in the breeze. A wooden deck extends from the back of the house, providing a panoramic view of the river and the surrounding forest. The interior of the house is equally impressive, featuring a combination of rustic and modern elements. Exposed wooden beams and stone fireplaces create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while contemporary furnishings add a touch of sophistication. Large windows offer breathtaking views of the river and the forest, blurring the lines between indoors and out. This rustic black wooden house is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary where one can escape the stresses of modern life and reconnect with nature. The thoughtful design, the use of natural materials, and the harmonious integration with the surrounding environment create a truly special place. It is a place where one can find peace, tranquility, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of the natural world. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.